creating websites with no-coded softwares was actually very easy. But what if you integrate ChatGPT and AI art generative softwares with it? Wouldn't it be awesome and even more efficient? Well, if you think it would be awesome and very efficient, I'm gonna tell you how you can integrate ChatGPT with AI art generative softwares and even make website out of it. So watch this video till end, and before we move forward, I would like to tell that Be10x has an exclusive AI tool workshop. To check it out, link is in the description.
Hey Aditya, I'm working in this office since the last 5 years and you just recently joined and you have a salary 5 times as me. How is that possible, man?
It is because I'm using AI tools and ChatGPT to automate my work, and I'm working 10 times as compared to you. That's why I'm getting paid 5 times as compared to you.
That is super, man. Can you please teach me the same so that I can grow my salary as well?
Absolutely, I can.
What you have to do is you have to head over to Midjourney's Discord server. You can easily get its access through their website, and then you have to go to general #1 and start writing a prompt there of whatever type of website you want. For me, I'm gonna go with beautiful website selling sunglasses, summer vibes, UX, UI, website design, --V4. And there you go, you got 4 website cover page designs. So I'm gonna click on V1 to get many more designs like first image. And there you go, you have a front cover page for your website. And that's so in just a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna click on U2 and it's gonna upscale the second image for me. And then I'm gonna click on that image, then click on open in browser, and then I'm gonna download that particular image. Now for the next step, go to Photopia. If you don't know what it is a type of Photoshop alternative. It has every single thing that Photoshop consists of, so you can use it. Now place your image in the canvas and select the rectangle tool and cut out the image you just don't want in your web page. But I want to include the hat in my page, so I'm gonna click on lasso tool and select the polygon variant of it. And then start making the hat outlines. Make sure you are holding shift while selecting any extra or outer or other than the rectangle you just created. Then click on Ctrl J and there you go, you have the image. Now we are going to remove the text with the help of spot clearing brush. I'm going to go and remove the sunglasses and the tongue too, as they both are looking weird. Now adjust the size and then export it. And now you have one web page of your website in just, I guess, maximum 5 minutes. Now head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short hero title, tagline, a CTA button for a website of sunglasses. Then it will provide you with every single thing you asked it for. Now before I tell you how you can make an actual website out of resources we just collected, I want to warn you with something. See, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs being replaced by AI and whatnot. And you don't want to get affected by this recessive wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you. The people using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours of AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below. Now, after collecting all of the necessary resources, we will head on to our no-coded website developer named editorx.com. Then you just have to click on start now and sign up with your Gmail or Google account. Now click on blank project and it will provide you with a blank canvas. Now click on add an element and then image and add the web page image that you just created. And then adjust its size and add the title text element and then copy the title from ChatGPT that you just generated, paste it there, adjust its size and color, then again add an element to add your tagline, copy that tagline from ChatGPT that you just generated and then paste it there. Again adjust its color and size, and then the final paragraph, you can ask ChatGPT to make that paragraph for you again. Just write the prompt of whatever service or product you are selling and it will provide you with a basic type of paragraph. Then copy that para again, paste it in your website and then again set its size and its positioning, again color, then add a new element named button, change its name to shop now and again adjust its size and color. You have to adjust it every time. And there you go, you have an awesome looking page of your own website that you just created and you have not written a single code. You saw. Now add a new section on a new page where we will display our products. And to do that, add a grid, then do the same steps we did earlier to extract the sunglasses image that ChatGPT generated. Or you can even add your own personal product image. You can go with anything you want. Now grab the image of sunglasses, upload it again on your website, and then change the background of it. You can use any extension to get exactly same color of the background of sunglasses. Now copy the text from above, and paste it below, or you can just duplicate it and move it up and down. You can obviously change the text if you want. You can change its size, you can change its content, and there you go. Now bring that text to front. How you'll do it, you have to go to the layers option, then select your text there and then click on bring to front. Or if it doesn't work, you have to go to layers again and select your glasses image and then click on move backward or bring backward or something like that. And there you go, you have a fully customized website which you have made by yourself with the help of ChatGPT and AI art generative softwares. Now tell me in the comment section what type of website you made. Was it about e-commerce or was it about some agency? And also like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video among your friends, and don't forget to check out our AI tool workshop. Link is in the description. Believe me, it's super cheap and very informative. So do check it out. We'll see you there. Thank you.